So we have arrived in Osaka. We arrived at 6 o'clock this morning, and you can stay on the ferry till 8 o'clock, so we did that and had a shower and coffee and all that. Have a look at this, it looks pretty fancy. But yeah, it's still rainy. It's raining pretty heavy. It's meant to ease up later on today, but we're riding to Kyoto today, going towards Lake Biwa. So we're just going to go for it. We're all packed up. I've got one shower cap foot, and I found another plastic bag, so at least my socks stay dry.
Okay. Exiting the ferry. We had a comfortable stay overnight. No rush to get out in this weather, it's pouring rain.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it
does
goes.
look like it's eased a little bit.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I never figure out where the road.
So we're ready to go. The weather really is not much better. Let's push on. So good morning from Osaka. So we've only just done a couple of kilometers and I've got a flat tire, rear tire.
Did you run over something?
I don't know. I must have. Sorry. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's still raining.
Welcome to Osaka. Blowing a gale. Wet too. Oh. Right off this bridge. Well, we've only got 5 hours of this to do. It's not meant to stop raining until 1 o'clock.
Hello. We have resorted to McDonald's. We've done about 18 kilometers and the rain just got heavier and heavier and we are soaked through. So we're hiding here for a while over hot chocolate or something. Look, there's the bikes there.
So we're just to Kyoto. We've come across another Australian from Canberra, Matthew, and he's heading back to Tokyo tonight on the train from Osaka. You'll have to forgive the rain filter because it hasn't stopped raining all day. World Heritage Koji Temple.